Hello everyone. I wanted to give you a quick look at my new prototype Delta printer I've been designing. This is 3DR. It's just the first prototype at the moment, and it's got a lot of things that I really liked about the raw stock that I built before, and quite a few things I liked about the Kossel printer, but a few of the things I wanted to change and keep more like the raw stock. I also wanted to go back to more of a RepRap style printer with a lot more printed parts. So this machine has got most of its parts for the structural side 3D printed, all of the base and all of the assembly. The aluminium rods on the sides here, they're not actually used for the motion, so I'm still using 6mm steel bar for the motion. The reason why I wanted to not use the aluminium or anything else for the motion is really that the idea was that these can be replaced with anything like steel tubes or copper tubes or even sections of bamboo. So they don't actually sort of do anything other than support the machine vertically and give it some strength. The steel rods are not quite strong enough to do that on their own, like on the raw stock, so that uses 8mm rods. So this could be really interesting that these parts could be replaced. I'd really love to do a design with maybe some bamboo or something, just to show it can be done. So a few other things. All the electronics are up in the top. They're fully integrated. I've got the electronics sort of all built in to the top section now. The main board and the sensors for the homing positions. The motors are in the bottom, and all the wiring at the moment runs through the aluminium tube. It could run through anything else as long as it was hollow that you used. So there's no wiring on display. It's driven by Spectraline, which is really nice. On the carriages here, so it's very lightweight, very fast, and very easy to assemble and to set up. The push rods. The push rods are partly 3D printed, the ends are printed. It's using 3mm carbon fibre rods, but I tried to get as much 3D printing in there as possible. There's some springs just to take out backlash, and a small carriage, very similar to the Rostock carriage, but much smaller. An assembly for this has got a J-head in it, but it could be any other type of hot end. And the carriages themselves, I'm still using linear bearings on this one, but I do have a modification I'm going to try with some brass bushings as well. So that'll be the next thing to try out. It's got an integral filament holder as well, and the extruders at the back, nice and easy to access and to change out. The bed at the moment is just a piece of dye bond that goes on the top. I did wonder about the very first thing it did was actually print and level its bed, because it could print straight on top of this PLA, which would be really nice to actually sort of have it level out, but really you need something on there to be able to remove the parts from. So at the moment it's dye bond, could have a heated bed, doesn't really need it. It's designed really for printing PLA and nylon. It's really good for both. It doesn't need a heated bed for doing either of those two. So anyway, that's a quick introduction. I'll post some more up on my blog and give you a few shots of it actually printing now. Let me know what you think. Hope you like it. Thanks a lot. See you soon.